In this assignment, you will learn how to access and download bacterial genomes using the NCBI database. This complete step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, from searching for a specific bacterial species to retrieving the full genome sequence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently navigate the NCBI platform and download genomic data for your research or bioinformatics analysis. Paste the platform's HTML link into any browser of your choice. Enter the bacterial genome of interest into the search bar. The genome marked with a green check mark indicates the current reference genome for the selected bacterial species. Take note that there are two types of assemblies available in the database, RefSeq and GeneBank. The taxon, strain information, submitter, and date of deposit are also displayed on this page. Make sure to check the number of scaffolds and contigs for this particular genome assembly. Genome coverage and assembly level are also crucial when determining the quality of this genome. Make sure to check which sequencing and assembly technology was used to generate this genome. You can also find the genome quality analysis provided here to help you assess the reliability of the assembly. A taxonomy check is also performed automatically by the system. Be sure to look at the revision history to access the most recent genome version. Go back to the previous page to start downloading the genome. You can download either the RefSeq version, the GeneBank version, or both. Download the genome in FASTA, GFF, GBFF, and Protein FASTA formats. These formats are the most commonly accepted by most analysis platforms. Make sure to organize and save the files in a dedicated folder so they're easy to access for your future analysis. The RefSeq file uses the code starting with GCF. All of these files can be opened and viewed using a simple text editor like Notepad. The GeneBank genome file is identified by encode that starts with GCA. The protein file, sometimes called the FAA file, contains the protein sequences. Here's an example of how a GFF file appears and is structured. Lastly, the GBFF file, also known as the GenBank format file, is organized to match the standard GenBank format, which you should be familiar with by now. Please refer to the credits and citations in the description. Thank you for watching. Feel free to leave any questions in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe.